Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this one is brought to you by BlackView. They sent me the BV6800Pro to check out, so I'm going to do an unboxing and quick hands-on for you guys. This phone has some really unique packaging, with everything laying flat beside each other, rather than stacking all of the contents of the box. Okay, so here's the phone itself. We'll come back to that in a bit. This is a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. There's no headphone jack on the phone, so you'll be using this. It comes with some headphones. These are actually kind of interesting. They're more like those Apple EarPods than your traditional headphones. You've got the wall adapter. They have US and EU versions for this phone, so if you need to get the US wall charger, you can do that as well. And then we have a USB Type-C to micro USB adapter. That's nice that they include that. You never know when you might need one. Looks like they include an extra screen protector here. And then you have the manual, and that's about it. Okay, now really quick, let me just... I'd give that a 4 out of 10 screen peel. So here it is, the BV6800Pro with an IP68 durability rating, a military standard certification of 810G, and a drop rating of 3 meters. This phone is waterproof up to 5 meters, and you can fully submerge it for an hour without any damage. You can take it with you to the desert, you can take it with you to the North Pole if you wanted. Basically, this is one of the toughest phones in the world. This phone has dual 16 megapixel cameras on the back and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. The processor is an octa-core 1.5 GHz Mali T860, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The battery has a massive 6,570 mAh capacity that will give you 50 hours of talk time, 40 hours of music playback, 15 hours of video playback, 20 hours of internet browsing, and 10 hours of continuous gaming. That's pretty nuts. Also, it has wireless charging. We don't even see wireless charging in most flagship phones still, so that's really cool that they included that feature here. The display is 5.7 inches, 18:9 aspect ratio, full HD, comes with Gorilla Glass 3 and a 423 ppi. A few last features to note here is the fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and NFC. Okay, enough about the specs, let's talk about the software. The phone is running Android 8.0 with a pretty minimal ROM. You've got a few apps pre-installed, like those that come in the tool bag. These are apps that'll come in handy while you're on the job, like a compass, HCT sound meter, the picture hanging assistant, heart rate monitor, protractor, level, flashlight, and then there's a few others. The camera is kind of what you'd expect on a phone like this, not really the best feature of the phone, but then again, that's not what people are buying this phone for. They're buying it for the durability features and stuff like that. The camera app has a lot of different modes like photo mode, face beauty, blur, mono, panorama, and pro, and as far as the video goes, you can shoot in up to 1080p. So that's it for this unboxing and hands-on video of the BlackView BV6800Pro. I'll leave a link in the description to the site where you can check out drop tests and stuff like that. The BV6800Pro is available for $249.99 and comes in yellow, black, and green. But anyways, that's it. See ya.